And while terror dominated the agenda of the BRICS summit, there were also a series of discussions focused on strengthening of economic and trade ties between the member states. Prime Minister Modi's business pitch: we even transformed India into one of the most open economies in the world.
Prime Minister Modi underlining his government's reform agenda at the Goa BRICS summit, where evolving an effective counter-terrorism strategy dominated the proceedings. Leaders of the world's most influential economies on Sunday decided to set up a BRICS credit rating agency to double trade between BRICS nations from $250 billion to $500 billion by 2020. BRICS Bank set up to rival the West-dominated World Bank to focus on funding development priorities of the members and create a network of angel investors. Push for changes in institutions like the IMF and take common positions at fora like WTO and G20. Information sharing about black money and tax evasion. Research centers in the area of agriculture, railways, and finally, a BRICS Sports Council. But at a time when boycott calls for Chinese goods are growing in the backdrop of China's refusal to blame Pakistan for the Uri terror attacks, the Chinese president raised the issue of protectionism.
Some countries are getting more inward-looking in their policies. Protectionism is rising. We must contribute our wisdom and strength and work together to find common solutions.
Apart from seeking to increase economic ties among themselves, BRICS is also reaching out to emerging economies in the Bay of Bengal, countries like Bangladesh, Myanmar, Sri Lanka, Nepal and Thailand. With camera person Suresh Kumar in Goa, Sandeep Phukan for NDTV.